Just like that. Then you want to take your hammer, line it up, put your sear spring in, and when you put it in the notch, make sure your spring is touching your sear and your trigger. Then put your mainspring housing in just a little bit, let your strut fall down, and center it up on your tube. And we're going to take the beaver tail, just assembles right in like that. Just going to stick your thumb safety in for now to hold your beaver in place. Okay. Put a little tension on the bottom, your mainspring housing. Put your pin back in. Now cock your hammer back, pull your safety out just a little bit, enough to put your spring in for your plunger tube. Goes in just like that. Now you're going to put a little bit of pressure on it as you push that spring forward. And if you can get it to go out of the way. There. It drops right in. Safe. Fire. Then put the slide assembly back on. Making sure your barrel lines up with your slide stop. Line up the back notch. Install your recoil end. There we go. Piece of cake.